majority in all the office spaces is when you find traditional lighting like incandescent bulbs, CFLs, and other form of lighting. There, everybody are looking at cost-cutting measures, and lighting in any building, if you take, accounts to almost around 15 to 20% of the entire electrical consumption. So where we come in is we are promoters of the LED technology. Then the first question you will ask is why LED? So LED stands for light emitting diode. One thing is they have a really long lifespan. Okay, then they are very energy efficient even when compared to CFLs or halogens. For example, if you compare it to CFL lighting, you can easily say that they are 60 to 65% energy efficient, but at the same time they maintain the same brightness levels. So when we say it is an equivalent replacement, you are not compromising on the brightness at all. You are keeping the brightness 1:1, but at the same time reducing the energy consumption to the tune of 60 to 65%. And they have very long life to the tune of, let's say, 50 to 60,000 hours. So if you take an operating cycle of 12 hours per day, you're talking about not less than 12 to 13 years. Now when we say 50 to 60,000 hours, do all LED systems in the market provide 50 to 60,000 hours? The answer is no. See, basically there are three main criteria. Number one is the quality of the LED chip that you use. Second, the robustness of your driver, the components that are used in the driver, how robust it is. We all know that various power fluctuations that happen in Indian scenario. So a driver needs to be very robust to handle these power fluctuations. Third is the effectiveness of the heat sink. LEDs do generate heat. If anybody comes and tells you LEDs does not generate heat, they are wrong. But compared to CFL lighting, the amount of heat generated by LEDs are lesser. But you need a proper thermal heatsink management to make sure the heat is dissipated. And one more thing is the high lumen per watt output. Traditional lighting, the lumen per watt is not more than 30 or 40 lumens per watt. In LEDs today, we are seeing lumen per watt to the tune of 145 to 150 lumens per watt. That means if traditionally, if an incandescent consumes only per watt, the lumen output of incandescent would be in the range of, let's say, around 30 or 40 lumens. LED is giving you close to 145-50 lumens. And people nowadays, you must have heard saying that it's eco-friendly lighting. What does eco-friendly lighting mean? Or what makes LED eco-friendly? Simple things like it does not emit UV rays. There are no infrared rays. There is no mercury content. So these are the things which make LED very eco-friendly as of today. And compared to halogen, incandescent, CFL, it is far easier to dispose of the used LED. So the overall carbon emission and the carbon footprint which it creates is far lesser compared to whatever lighting technology that is available as of today.